Morning is 7 a.m. Let's get ready to go to the gym. This bean right here wakes me up super early. Nella, what do you have to say for yourself? Bed is made. We're gonna pick out our workout outfit now. So if you watched my house tour, you know I put all of my workout clothes on this rack. I need to do a better job of like organizing by color or something fancy like that. Put my socks on my workout pants and sports bras. I actually just did laundry, so I have all these sports bras and these rompers and socks right here too. So maybe you know, maybe you don't know, but I am a fitness trainer. I don't talk about this a lot on this channel. It used to be all fitness content, but then I completely switched it to showing my life as a nomad and stuff like that. So my fitness content is now on my other channel. Some mornings I have my client first thing in the morning, and then I do my workout in between clients. Today I don't have a client in the morning, so I'm going to just do my workout. Creatine. Earth-fed muscle. It's kind of like a BCA brand and kind of just gets you through the workout and all of that, but I have always found and kind of people should listen to their own bodies and what it's and kind of just gets you. It's the sugar helps you. Sea salt. And kind of just. Bye, boo-boos. We will be back. All right, so this is my gym and I totally messed up, you guys. I got a new camera and I accidentally filmed everything in slow motion. So if it looks weird, it's because I had to kind of speed it up. I'm dying at this clip. It's like kind of looks sexy, but I did not mean to film that in slow motion. Anyways, I'm not going to make this a super long portion of the video, but I'm just going to walk you guys through my workout. So I did upper bodies, shoulder presses. I always go heavier each set when I do shoulder presses, and I try to go all the way till failure. As you can see, these last few reps, I'm like dying, but I did it. It's always the best feeling. Yeah, I could do this. Badass chick right here. Then I did a superset of side raises with these straight arm lifts. Then I sat on the bench and I did these Ys along with some front raises. I did 3 sets of both of those supersets, and then here's some more of the gym. And then I did a third superset, which was these kind of like combo lift things. I'm a great trainer. I don't even know the name. Skull crushers on the bench as well. And then I went over to the cable machine and I did some triceps on the cable machine. This is my new favorite exercise, shoulder raises with the cable machine. Oh my gosh, the cutest girls came up to me. I'll show you guys a clip right now. Hi. So these are my new friends. You want to introduce yourself?
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Amy.
My name Pia.
They just came up to me and complimented me.
Yes, she has very good body. Yeah.
Thank you. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I can be so mean to myself. So moments like that, those girls coming up to me, like the first thing they said to me is, I love your body. And it sounds so superficial, but it's not even about them complimenting my body. It's just that I can be so hard on myself. And so moments like that remind me, loosen up on yourself a little bit. So I finished off with some core. I like to do stuff on the ball, and then I like to do hanging abs too. It's really important for me to focus on strengthening my core. It's not really about abs for me. I always finish every single workout with a 20, 30, or 40-minute incline walk. The typical morning for me. As you can see, my gym also has a cafe. Sometimes I eat there, and sometimes I get a smoothie. Quickly take a shower, get ready, because I'm meeting my friend for brunch, and we're gonna show you a little bit of Chiang Mai. So this is what I'm wearing. I didn't have enough time to blow dry my hair in a rush. Call the Grab. I got in the Grab, and this is a little bit of Old Town right here, and I went to this restaurant called Meet to Meet. Very challenging word to say. And it's super cute, and these are all my friends, and we ordered a bunch of things to share. These were these like wonton nacho things that I was absolutely obsessed with. I'm gonna introduce you guys right here. So Molly, and she works in construction here for a company based here in Chiang Mai. And then we have Mean, and she owns the restaurant Healthy Junk, which I did a vlog on. If you haven't checked it out, check it out. And then my other friend was Mandy, and she makes organic products here in Chiang Mai. So this is the part about nomad life that is so great, because like living back in the US, everybody lives such busy lives and no one really has time. But here it's more likely people can meet in the middle of the day. So I'm really grateful for these moments. Then we decided to walk around a little bit and show you guys a little bit more of Old City. We happened to walk by this new restaurant that two of our friends are opening here. I told them I would show my YouTube a little bit of the place because it's super cute. I'm super excited for this new little spot. Then we walked to this coffee place called Beginning. It's super popular. A lot of people come here for Instagram photos. If you are here, you will always see people kind of taking some photos, because across the street there is a worker store, a whole little corner. So we got to sit and catch up some more and have some coffee, which is always nice. Another thing that I'm so grateful for is coffee is so big in northern Thailand. It's always really easy to find great coffee here. Northern Thailand is known more for its coffee. I highly recommend also checking out the Wicker store. I have the room divider. If you watched my house tour, my room divider is from this store. Look at this little fish bag, super cute. I swear this store is just filled with so many things that you just want to buy it all. Tried on some hats, but I have a small head, so it's actually hard to find hats. We were just having a blast in this store. And then I found this little picnic basket. I recently got a picnic blanket, and I want to take Canella on picnics. Friend me knows the owner, so she was kind of bargaining with her to give me a good deal. As you can see, the store just goes further and further. This is all the way in the back. So much here. So then we scored the picnic basket. Oh, and I also got these coasters. They tend to kind of take advantage of you if you are a foreigner, which Thais call farangs, and they'll up the price like double the amount. Then we walked by to this other little store, and then I tried on this green dress, and I ended up getting this green dress. I love green, and I just thought it was so cute. And the owner was super sweet, and she was really grateful. Oh, she asked my friend how long she's been in Chiang Mai, and my friend's been here like 10 years, so she was kind of just like shocked. I really love supporting these little local boutiques. Then we walked around some more over to this little jewelry store right here, and everything was so beautiful in this store. There's a lot of jewelry in Old City, so highly recommend walking around, seeing where you end up, because there's so many just little hidden gems. All right, we're in our Grab. We got a truck. Can't see it, but We're going back to Healthy Junk.
Yay!
And I'm gonna get some dinner to go. So we are now in Healthy Junk, means restaurant here. And ran into my friend Dana. Hi. Wait, there you are. This is Alyssa, and we're actually from the same hometown. She's from Palos Verdes. Shout out to South Bay. Yeah. So I just got home. He's very happy, if you can hear him purring. I was at Healthy Junk, my friend's restaurant. She's actually gonna close for a couple of days, so I got 2 meals to have. I'll show you guys. I also get meal prep delivered weekly, and it has kale and half rice and onions, and then I add this local cottage cheese because I eat very high protein. So when I'm sitting here eating, I normally watch YouTubes on mindset and productivity and self-growth. I'm not someone who watches television, very rare, and if I do, it's usually documentaries. I just like to watch things that actually are filling my subconscious mind with something good. I also wanted to show you guys my walking pad because usually before my clients at night, to like energize myself, I'll usually 30-minute, 1 hour of walking. You guys might be thinking, what is going on with my work today? It's just kind of a random day where I don't have any clients to train, but I am going to work on editing.
It doesn't matter how shredded you are, how wealthy you are, how successful you are, how many cars you have. If your inner emotional state is suffering, you are losing. And when your inner emotional state is at peace and focused on service, it doesn't have to be changing the world, but service to the people in your life, that's when you are successful.
What Lewis just said is gonna be controversial. It's a major reason I'm not with my ex. Certain things in my life personally have happened that have led me to live this life of truly wanting to make a difference in people's lives. You know, I lost my dad when I was 18. I saved my mom's life when I was like 12. I realized fast at a young age that life is so short. You might wake up tomorrow and not have somebody in your life anymore. That tomorrow is not promised. And so ever since being at that young age, I have lived this life of truly valuing people in my life and showing people that are in my life that I value them. One of my top 3 values that I desire in a partner, I value things that aren't, quote, societal values, like having a fancy car or how much money you make or things like that. Watching sunset with someone, that is just so meaningful to me. I just wanted to share that with you guys because filling your subconscious with these things is just so beneficial. So I'm sitting at my little home desk right now, and I thought I would show you guys what I'm currently editing. So this is my desk right here. This journal is kind of where I write down my goals and things I want to get done. That's my little disco mushroom that I love, my camera bag, my salt lamp, desk setup with my light on top, iPad, plants, pens and stuff, and my laptop. Currently, I am editing some workout videos here into Reels. Almost 9 p.m. here, and I do have a client at 7 in the morning tomorrow, so I'm not sure that I will be able to edit this video tonight, but I've been really trying to stay consistent with editing 1 video every single week. I like to kind of think of my life in seasons. This season of my life is currently a season of really being able to tune into the things that I want to face. Fears I want to face, the fear of putting myself out there more. I've been getting mean comments lately, and that used to really affect me. When I get mean comments, I realize, you know what? That person isn't showing up for themselves. That person isn't being vulnerable. That person isn't being authentic. And I would rather look back at my life and say, I am so happy that I put myself out there than look back and say, oh my gosh, I let the fear of what other people thought of me, I let the fear of getting mean comments prevent me from truly going up for myself to serve, which is what my passion comes from. My passion comes from hoping that somehow my story inspires others. Maybe only one person will watch this video, but that still means the world to me. I literally just said what I said, and then I was watching this Jay Shetty podcast, and he said, when we are the most inactive in our life, that's when we are most critical of other people and what they're doing. That goes back to what I was saying about haters and getting mean comments and things like that. People are unhappy with their life. That's when they spend all their time and energy being critical. A sad way to live. Anyways, so I think in our life we have these seasons, and instead of feeling down about them or feeling scared of kind of the ups and downs, look at the season that you're in, or look at what's happening in your life and think about how you can embrace it, channel that energy into things that you maybe haven't had time for. I don't know, just a thought. I just did my nightly skincare, coming downstairs to grab my child. I carry this baby up the stairs. Alright, you guys, thank you for spending the day with me. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. It means the world to me. Let me know in the comments what else you want to see about my life here in Chiang Mai. Thank you guys. Good night.